One of the most important yet overlooked first steps of investing is to be thinking clearly. In this meditation, let's help you get in the right frame of mind to invest your money. Start by allowing yourself to pause, take a deep breath, and exhale slowly. In a safe space, with eyes opened or closed, focus your attention on your thoughts. Allow your mind to wander for 30 seconds, starting now. As your mind wanders, internalize the following thoughts. I am confident in my ability to successfully invest my money. Now, shift your thoughts to ways to invest your money. These can be things you have done before or things you wish to try. Center your mind on one of these investment opportunities. For the next 60 seconds, in chronological order, visualize the steps involved in this investment opportunity, starting now. See yourself achieving each step and enjoying the process. If you're not clear on all the steps, know that in this moment you are capable of learning, and you will. Remember that you have the power to do anything you set your mind to. Now, for the next 60 seconds, visualize yourself achieving your investment goals, starting now. See the victory in front of you. Know that through your efforts, you can and will fulfill this vision. Feel your confidence energy surging through your body with every breath. Claim it as yours. Feel the confidence coursing through your veins. Finally, for the next 30 seconds, allow your mind to wander again, starting now. As your mind wanders, shift to this single thought. I am ready to invest my money, and I will. For this and other mind frame content, download the free Mind Energy Shift app, available on iOS and Android.